You get the hairpiece, most likely you need to customize the size to fit you. So you can cut the hairpiece vertically or horizontally to meet your need. And each hairpiece would have a pack of double tape go with it. To apply the double tape, you need to peel one side of the paper to have it attached to the scalp, and then peel the other side of the paper to have the hairpiece attached with your forehead. And for this video, we're gonna do hairstyle for both for man and woman. For men, we're gonna do a slicked back. And to do that, we need apply a lot of water to almost wet the hair. Then we use a comb to comb it layer by layer to the back. And also we apply some heat to have the hair stay better. And for this video, we also did a little part for this slip back, and this is the result of it. And for girl, we did a band. You will see how it is. And again, you need to attach the hairpiece to the forehead by using the double tape. And again, we apply a lot of water, almost wet the hair. Then we're gonna do a middle part horizontally. So we have the hair on the back to go to the back, and by using some by apply some heat to have the hair stay again. And for the band, you can do a middle parted or side parted. You can even cut the length to the above the eyebrow